Guys, welcome to the K-Fox fundraiser. I'm your host, Rising Evan Pugh. Now, I have a little bit of the sniffles, not because I've actually got cold or anything, but just allergies. And it just really again reminds me of Terry's strength, because as soon as my nose gets plugged up, I turn into a little baby. I'm like, I feel sick. I can like do things. I just want to go with a blanket. Meanwhile, he's running in snow, rain, heat. It's just another example of his resilience. So yeah, sniffles and no sniffles. This video's going out. Otherwise, I'm just getting phony. So in honor of that resilience, please donate today. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Amen.